Today what I want to introduce to everyone is our unique 48-inch dual fuel pro range that provides flex induction, who we believe is the perfect complement to our sous vide module that provides customer the flexibility of either having 2 separate zones or 1 full zone. So if you want to use that grill or griddle at home, we provide that flexibility here for you. So with sous vide, gas, induction, we also deliver performance down below with the ovens. Over here is our 18-inch oven that delivers true steam. So this is a true steam oven. It's also a convection oven. It's a bake oven. It's a broil oven. It does everything you can imagine when it comes to an oven performance. And right here is where the steam reservoir is located. You fill this up, holds about 1 liter of water, no plumbing required, and it will alert you and notify you on your smart device when this needs to be refilled. And it goes right back in its slot. So we have a full steam combination oven right here on the left-hand side, but then we also provide a full capacity true convection oven as well, giving the customer all the flexibility that they will ever need in a 48-inch platform. If you want to experience Signature Kitchen Suite in our 48-inch dual fuel pro range, head to Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Calabasas, Studio City, Torrance, Santa Clarita, and Costa Mesa.